But look at the problem we have. Our trailer's not level. Well, how can we fix that? That's where all of these adjustments come in handy for hooking up your trailer. Today we are doing a little unboxing, and we're gonna include an install as well, and we're gonna test it out, see what we think. But we received this package from PSAuto, and the product that we're receiving today is the adjustable trailer hitch. So it is going to replace our 4-way trailer hitch that we have on the back of the truck. Not our 5th wheel hitch, but just the ball on the back. It's adjustable, so it can be level with the hitch, or it can drop up to 6 inches. So really excited to take a look at this product, see what we think. So let's get into the box. All right, so there you have it. Gross vehicle weight rating up to 20,000 pounds. Adjustable trailer hitch ball mount. Got some paperwork. Their customer satisfaction is their #1 priority. Some instructions in various languages. All right, so comes with a locking pin. Super nice feature there. Some more pins and cotter pins. That's for the adjustable height on the hitch. There's the adjustable ball. It's got the 2-inch and the 2 5/16. Careful, it's heavy. Very well made, well constructed. So there you can see all of the adjustable heights. Slides right in. Some rubber mounts to help with dampening some of the vibration. A ball cover. And then the tool used to make your adjustments. So I'm assuming this is everything that we'll need. They've included it all. As we get into the install, we'll share a little bit more, but excited to check out this product. Excited to see how it does, and to have the flexibility of being able to adjust things up and down. Super excited about that. All right, we did the unboxing. Now we've got all of our items here. I've taken a look at the instructions a little bit, make sure I do things in the proper order. And so want to show you. So in the package there is a metal and 3 rubber pieces here. These go on here. That's what helps tighten it and limit it dampens some of the vibration. So we're going to take the hitch off the truck, install the new hitch, and see how it does. All right, I'm back. After a little investigation, I determined that because this is a 2-inch, I have this insert for my heavy duty truck. The insert goes in here. This width right here is the width of one of these. So with that insert in, only 2 of the rubber pads are used. Then the lock pin fits right there, and then this tool is used to tighten up. You can see right here that is pushing this so it's tight and secure. So this tightening right here is what limits vibration once you get it tight enough. So, little learning curve there, but easy enough to manage. So I'm gonna install the ball right here, 2-inch, 2 5/16. With 2 pins and cotter pins. All right, so you've got the ball, you're gonna install it on the hitch here at the level that you would like. As you can see, there's lots of possible variations of places that you can install it to give you different heights. Install your cotter pins and you're good to go. All right, so once you have it installed, you can attach your trailer. I don't know if this is gonna roll very easy. But look at the problem we have. Our trailer's not level. Well, how can we fix that? That's where all of these adjustments come in handy for hooking up your trailer. Once you get the trailer hooked up, you can see obviously it needs to come down. So unhook, drop it down to where you need it, and all of a sudden you've gone from having a trailer that's way out of level and not safe to drive and pull to being able to level it out where it pulls much safer and easier. So, love the product. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this product, if you're looking for something like it, check out the link that's in the description below. I have a code there where you can get a discount from now until May 23rd. So if you're watching this video pretty close to when it came out, there's a discount available there for you. And so go ahead and take advantage of that. Thanks for watching.